Hello everyone, welcome viewers tuning in. In this moment clip, 18 minus 9 which equals 9 times 18 minus 9 which equals 9. Now we have this problem, 9 times 9 which equals 81. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses, 18 minus 9. So we have 18 minus 9 times 9. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 9 times 9 which equals 81. So we have 18 minus 81. So 18 minus 81 which equals minus 63. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun.